Here we are on the sea trial, Hatteras 58, Fort Pierce, Florida, Atlantic Ocean. We're now doing the steering test. Hard to port. By the way, look at how nice the ocean is today. So we're coming through a 90, going into a 180. You can see our wake where we were. And we're continuing on. Okay, he's straightening out. So we did a 180. Now we're going to go back and do a 180 to the north. The reason I know it's to the north is the mainland is over there to the west of us. Okay, we did 90 degrees. Now we're coming back to port again. We are less than a half mile off of the beach, and we're in about 25 feet of water. You can hear everybody shouting commands: turn right, turn left, straighten up. Sounds like we've got pirates aboard. Aye, aye. So what we've done here is we've done the survey for the steering system for the hydraulic rams and the tiller arms and the connector bar between the two rudders. If you want to learn more about surveying boats, maintenance aboard your own boat, or cruising, ask Captain Chris.